Hello guys, welcome to Innovation and Growth. Amazing toy that don't break. Now you know how repairing of roads done. Augmented reality in building construction. Virtual reality football looks like fun. Norwegian teams Sandy Fjord and Jondeland played a game of football using VR.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hyundai's hydrogen-powered truck is headed for the US. And this is for today. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.